Got my Green Lantern print, 22 by 28 inches. If I get in front of it, it'll be a glare, but that's the Sideshow Premium Format quarter scale. I just took this print off their website and took the picture off their website and got the print customized and then put it in this old frame I had. And on this wall I got this Halle Berry Catwoman movie poster. It's 11 by 17. Alright, so over here I kind of got my Suicide Squad area. So I got a couple 11 by 17 posters. Killer Croc, Harley Quinn, my premium format Harley Quinn, my premium format Killer Croc. This is probably my favorite statue. Got the exclusive heads. I got an extra one because the paint was kind of chipped, so they sent me another one. Then I got my movie Killer Croc, which is it's a hard material porcelain or stone resin polystone, but it's a really nice. When I got it, I wasn't expecting it to be as nice looking as it is. I got him holding a penguin fish. That goes to my quarter scale penguin. And I got my Hot Toys Joker Asylum custom. Probably get rid of that figure. And then I just got like a alley backdrop poster. And I got this Deadshot 12-inch PVC statue, but I haven't opened it yet because I'm thinking about making a custom quarter scale figure to go right here. And then down here, got my Batpod, Mayfex. Tumbler. I know the light is bad down here, but yeah, this one I'm gonna paint black. It's kind of like a purplish, so I need to do that soon. Alright, now we got Batman movie 3 and 4. Got my print for Poison Ivy, Thurman. Batman Ultimate figure from Batman Forever. I need to dust it off, and then I got my Batmobile. And I'm gonna be replacing this with probably the premium format Poison Ivy that's coming out from Sideshow. And over here I got the rest of the collection. I've got this Mr. Freeze with my custom prints that I made. Got my 1/6 Riddler. Two-Face statue, 1/6 scale also. I just put that gun in his hand right there. I gotta customize his hand so he can hold that better. and I'll probably paint his skin tone better one of these days. Alright, and this Mr. Freeze is 1/6 also, this statue. And I got my Jack Nicholson print, custom print. And then with my Two-Face, I got a custom print Two-Face over here. It's over on this wall. I just found this online and got a custom print of it. Here I got my NECA Batman figures, Penguin, Catwoman, 89 Keaton, quarter scale, and my Batmobile. I'm still working on this Penguin base. Have that video out. Gotta paint the top of it. Got my Nightmare Joker with my Batman and Penguin. Custom Penguin base. Almost done with it. And right here in the corner, kind of behind the curtain, I've got my Batman Returns quarter scale NECA. I'm working on his pose. Gotta put something under his foot. Then up here we got the Dark Knight collection. Got a Hot Toys Scarecrow, a Two-Face coin. Got a custom Hot Toys Bane with the Hot Wheels 1/18 scale tumbler. And I was gonna do a Two-Face 1/6 custom, so I got the head back there. But I'll probably end up selling that because I don't think I'll ever finish making that figure. And then here's my custom Joker. 1/4 scale. See my video on that. It's a good shot right there. And then here's my Crazy Toys Dark Knight. I need to finish putting that custom cape on there, and I need to paint the bat that I've got as a custom base. You can see I started on that. I got the dowel. You can see right there running through the bottom up to his foot, and I've cut a bunch of pieces off of this to make it look more streamlined instead of how the toy look. But look for that video. Might link it at the end. I'll link it at the end of this one. Alright, over here I got my Batman, armored Batman set up. And I need to put the spear. Got a custom light up spear for I need to put back in his hand. But I've got the Batmobile down here. It's about a 1/14 scale, 1/15 scale, RC. Got a custom Superman print that I made with his eyes. I got a Wonder Woman and Cyborg. And then that's just the big fig Cyborg that I was thinking about customizing. Probably will get around to it eventually. And just got him on this base. And that's the base that goes to the bat that I got down here.